At JRCS, we develop, produce, and service power management and automation control systems for the global marine market. We have a vision to digitally transform the maritime industry and are convinced that Microsoft HoloLens and mixed reality experiences will be instrumental in enabling us to make that change. We offer training to our customers at our dedicated training center in Japan, but because of its remote location, it's difficult for our customers to reach. However, utilizing the power of HoloLens, that obstacle can be removed, as users can receive training from anywhere in the world. Using 3D models, our trainer can explain the step-by-step process of how our equipment can be maintained. Trainees can see exactly what the trainer sees, in context and in human scale. And if one of the remote participants has a question about the equipment, the conversation can be translated in real time using the Microsoft Translator Support Service. Safety aboard vessels is very important to us at JRCS. We will decrease the risk of injury and human error by providing intuitive and efficient maintenance support through the use of mixed reality. If an engineer gets an alert that maintenance is required, the HoloLens can scan the unit and any necessary repair information can be viewed digitally. The engineer can then review the task list before performing the repair. This process empowers the engineer to make proactive maintenance decisions, and in the future from any location, offshore or on. We have a plan to help solve anticipated maritime crew shortages and improve the quality of transportation by introducing the Onshore Virtual Command Center. Here, digital captains can interface with multiple autonomous vessels on a 3D map, communicating with each other, along with remote captains viewed through the HoloLens as avatars. These digital captains can see information such as routing and weather data, along with the topographical information, ensuring the safety, accuracy, and efficiency of the vessels. By interacting with a vessel's automatic identification system, a captain can communicate with artificial intelligence to confirm the fuel efficiency is optimal and avoid any stoppages on the route. Not only will the Virtual Command Center improve the quality of maritime transportation, it will also provide a safe and fulfilling work environment for maritime professionals. We're committed to driving innovation and adding value to our customer solutions, and we hope that the advancement of digital technology will encourage and entice the next generation to become interested in the maritime industry.